GPUS stock analysis and GPUS stock prediction. What I'm doing in this brief and short 1 minute video is showing you my exact play. And this is not only like my exact process and all that good jazz, but like randomly buying will just not be happening. And I'm like, my bad. This is where GPUS is. I don't know why. Okay, this is where we are. And having done this for 42,000 videos over 5 years while documenting everything I've seen what's printing. Especially with GPUS, it's not good. You know, for me at least, it's just bearish. Like, for it to be bullish, let's put it in this perspective, it must break with a full candle close above like 158 or something. And if it does not do that, then I don't quite frankly care. And I do have previous GPUS receipts in the Discord, 2 results. But yeah, I'm just gonna stick with this. Not really changing a thing. You know, not everything on my watch list is supposed to be a buy, you know. There's outliers. Overall, I'm here to kind of keep you updated, guys. And if you want my exact resources and play in Discord that's taking me over 5 years to refine, because I'm a very process-driven person, click the first link in the description. It's risk-free.